everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a very early update for Nightmare on Panning Street. This was created by Val and Jaylon. Of course, they're going to be listed down below, along with all of the other PANtastic ladies that have joined in. This is a year-long project, and it started on Halloween, and it will go till next Halloween. And it's all about horror movies and that kind of stuff, which I love. I've always been into horror movies, and right now my hair is kind of being a little bit of a horror show right here on top of my head. Anyway, I am doing this a little bit early because it's the end of the year. There's a bazillion finales, and I want to buy myself as much time to finish out those projects as I can so I can put those finales towards the end of the month. So therefore, this one had to be pushed up. So really only have about 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks of usage on some of these products, but it's okay. It's okay. Except for this hair. That's not okay. Like I said, it's going until Halloween. It's going to be going for a long time. Plenty of time to get in on this if you are interested in joining in. And yeah, let's get into this. I do actually have one empty, which is kind of cool because, like I said, it's a short turnaround on this update. This is for the prompt Pet Cemetery, a graveyard item, and that's a nod to Emily and Max, who created the Graveyard Project Pam. This is the Pinky Glitter. I attempted to finish this in 50 Shades of Pink last year into April of this year. I was unable to do it, and you can see my progress line since I brought it in, and I was able to finish it off, oddly enough, with a black eyeshadow, and I used it on my nails. I know, it's crazy. It looked cool because it looked like a black polish with like sparkles throughout. I enjoyed it. But I'm glad it's done because I have a lot more glitter to get through, like, that's in baggies like that. So I'll be working on those. I will be working on those. So that is my empty for this update. That is my first empty in this project. Hasn't been going on very long, so it's all good. I'm pretty sure there's like 40 prompts, maybe a couple more. I think it's 40. Someone will let me know. Oh, this hair. What am I going to do with that hair? I'm going to tuck it right behind my ear. That way it won't bother me. All right, I'm going to show you what I actually have some progress on. And I am going to bring in another product. I'm working down the line. I started with 13 because they said we could start with 6 or 13. And because I want to do all the prompts, even if I can't finish them, I want to at least try all of the prompts. So every update I'm bringing something in, whether I finish something or not. I did finish something. I probably could have brought 2 in for this update, but we're not going to get crazy because next month it's going to be a whole month of intros for new projects and a lot of new products. So I'm just going to bring one in. All right, the ones that we're going to talk about today is A Quiet Place. That is a product that makes you speechless. And it's because it's a lip product and I like to not speak after I first put this on. This is the Exuviance Targeted Lip Filler. It is, it's kind of like a cross between a mask and like an overnight type of mask and skincare at the same time. It goes on your lips. You don't have to put it all the way on your lips, but some on your lips and around it. And it's supposed to really help like plump up and rejuvenate the skin around your mouth. For those of us that aren't like 20 anymore, and we notice that there's a little bit of difference in the fullness in our lips and the skin around it, this is supposed to help for that. And so I don't like to talk and create any more creases when I have this on, like, till it can actually absorb. That's why I chose that product. I do really like it. All right, next one is The Exorcist, something that makes your head spin with delight. It's probably my husband coming home. The dog is going to go nuts. It's always going to be hair masks or something hair related for me because, you know, I use a lot of hair stuff. And that is the Not Your Mother's Natural Sicilian Blood Orange and Black Currant Butter Mask. I've made some progress on this as well. I was here last update and now I am down there. That is not going to be a problem to finish. Next is Psycho, a product that makes you crazy. I've always been crazy, so, you know, some products make me a little more so. This is the Lancome Clarifique. It is a lovely product. As far as the product in and of itself, what is inside this bottle, it's wonderful. The delivery system, not so wonderful. You have to shake it up, which I don't have a problem shaking it up, but then you have to splash it into your hands and, you know, splash it on your face. No, that is just not for me. I put a little bit in a spray bottle and use it that way. I do the smallest amount at a time so that I can, you know, keep it shaken up and, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. I love the product. I just don't like the delivery system. All right, moving on to A Nightmare on Elm Street, kind of where the name of this project came from. That is a dupe for an item you dream about purchasing, which it is a dupe for an item that I dream would turn cruelty-free. That ain't happening anytime soon, I'm sure. This is the Essence Make Me Brow for the Benefit Gimme Brow. It is these soft brownie browns. It's a little too light for me, but I'm making it work. And I use this every day I wear makeup, which is pretty much every day. It keeps going. I don't have a weight on it. I could probably weigh it when I'm done now that I have a battery in my scale, but I don't have a starting weight on it, so we'll see. We'll see how that one goes. Next is The Shining Twins, an item for which you have a backup. This one right here, the Avon Pore Reducer Mask. I have a brand new one that's been in my collection forever. It was at the blue when I brought it in. Now I am at this like peachy color right here. Again, it's not going to be a problem to finish. Let's see. Friday the 13th. It is a summer themed product. I have this lotion bar in the scent Caribbean Breeze, and it is getting thinner. I could weigh it now, but I will do that after I film, and I'll put the weights in here of the things that should be weighed. It may or may not be done by the next update because this time of year I use this like it's my job, because it kind of is, and we'll see. If it's not done, it's going to be very close. Last one is Children of the Corn, a food-related item, whether it's food-related for name, shape, scent, all of the above. I chose the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm going to open it and smell it because it's just that good. It's pineapple and coconut. It is. It is divine. Let me show you my progress. Again, I was at the blue and now I'm at this peachy line. I love this stuff. It does not give quite as strong a hold as you can see on my hair. I have been using it this past week or two just to get some usage on it. I do kind of miss using my gel, but it's lovely for when I don't have to go anywhere, but I don't get the definition that I do with my gel. All right, that is everything that is continuing on that actually has progress on it. I do have to bring in, I don't have to, but I am going to bring in a new product, and the next one in the line on the spreadsheet is Paranormal Activity. That is an item that never seems to disappear. If you guys watch me with any regularity, you will know this product. It actually just came out of another project, and I really want it to be gone. It just keeps going and going and going, like the Energizer Bunny. This is the Maybelline Color Drama in Stripped Down. This one, it won't die. I kind of feel like the Buxom was that way, but it did finally give up the ghost. But so I am, let's see, right here at this red line. So you can see it has taken a long time to get to that point. We'll see. We'll see how I can do with this. I do feel like I can finish this before the end of this project, but it's going to take some time. These squeezy tubes have a ton of product in it. This is 6.4 mLs. Just to give you like a comparison, a Buxom like this is 2 mLs. So yeah, huge difference. 6 mLs, 2 mLs. They don't look like they're that vastly different in size, but the amount of product inside is incredibly different. So we'll see how I do with that one. I would love to have that done at some point next year. Hoping I do. Definitely go check out Jaylon and Val. They are going to be listed down below along with everyone else that has joined in. If you want to join in, again, it is not too late. We would love to have you on this panning journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.